We're turning this into this. Throwing together a delicious creamy chicken salad. This can be done with a boiled chicken breast that you've diced up, leftover chicken, whatever you want to use. I'm using this flame grill that I have on hand. Want to get about a half cup diced total. Get those diced up right quick. I'll go ahead and put that into our bowl. To that, we're gonna add 1/8 cup of almonds. You can toast these if you want to. I'm just gonna go raw and finish off this bag I have. Gonna give that a quick stir. To this, we're gonna add 1/4 cup celery. Though I love celery, so I'm gonna add about a half cup to mine. Then we'll get that put into our bowl. Next up is a tablespoon of green onion. About a tablespoon of bell pepper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chop up the top. We're gonna do half teaspoon of orange zest. We have our supreme orange. We're gonna go ahead and put that in the fridge to chill. Make sure all that orange zest gets around. Now to this, we're adding 1/8 cup of mayonnaise, 1/8 cup of sour cream, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, a little bit of salt, and some pepper, and then get that all stirred. Now we're gonna wrap that up and let it sit in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Now that's that time to chill, let's get it all put together. Remember to have a bag of spring mix. I'm gonna go ahead and use that. There we go. Then our creamy orange salad right there in the center. And then our oranges all around the edge as a nice pretty little garnish. And there we have it, a creamy orange chicken salad. Cook for one, have some fun, waste none. Recipes in the description, along with a link to my survival guide for singles. And if you want to keep the kitchen caffeinated, there's a link for that too.